Welcome to this episode of Cities, Towns, and Main Streets. Today I'll be walking through downtown Golden, Colorado. Is Golden, Colorado a city worth visiting? Stay tuned and we'll find out. Also, if you want to learn about other cities that are worth visiting, I'd highly suggest you subscribe to my channel so you'll get updates when I visit other cities. So there are a handful of local restaurants and a decent selection of popular chain restaurants in Golden. However, I would not suggest you visit Golden if you're looking for a variety of food or something particularly amazing. Golden is steeped in Western history, starting with old preserved buildings like this one here, which was a high school in 1924 through 1989 and now is the American Mountaineering Center. And hang around because we're going to go inside a little later. They also put placards on the various walking bridges with different historical facts about Golden and the state of Colorado. Another cool historical find was the Rose Theater, where nonprofit Western theatrical performances still occur today. So you should visit Golden, Colorado if you have an interest in Western history and culture. So like any good city, there is plenty of art. And I believe I saw a decent handful of it. It wasn't my taste. It was a lot of Western landscape type of art. So not my taste. However, if that is the kind of art you like, you should visit Golden, Colorado. Now, one of the things that really makes Golden stick out is its exceptional use of outdoor space. From walkways to the rocks, its integration with the river, as you can see here, places for kids to play, there's bicycle paths. They really do a great job of incorporating the natural beauty of the Colorado foothills with the layout of the city. If there was any reason that you should visit, it's for that one reason. If you like a city that integrates into nature well, you should visit Golden, Colorado. So I decided to step into the American Mountaineering Center. I had no clue what was inside, but I'm really glad I did. In fact, I would say it was definitely my favorite spot. While I was there, they were hosting classes for children on mountaineering, both classroom style as well as on the climbing wall. I also stumbled upon a alpine mountaineering museum. Nobody was there, had the place to myself. This museum had a history of artifacts that were used to climb and mountaineer, as well as techniques that were used for climbing. My favorite part of the museum was definitely the topographic display of Mount Everest. It was neat. They had little flags to indicate the path or the route that people would take to summit Mount Everest. You should definitely visit Golden if you have an interest in mountaineering, hiking, or climbing. So the last thing I'd like to point out about Golden, Colorado, I'm not sure who their city planner is, but I'm pretty sure they have an obsession with statues. These statues are everywhere. They all have a plaque, they all have the artist and what the statue means. They all have some relevant purpose. I didn't get a chance to go through all of them, but there were two that stuck out. The first was Adolf Coors, who had essentially started the Coors beer brewing company that's also in Golden, Colorado. And I'd encourage you to subscribe to the channel, as I will be doing a tour of that facility in January. So if you're interested in that. And then the other is the fly fisherman. He has this overarching fishing pole that is just huge. I also happened to find a replica of it that looked to be about 1/16 size, and it was only $7,500. I didn't buy it. So to recap, you should visit Golden, Colorado if you have an interest in Western history, Western artwork, an amazing integration of nature in the city, or mountaineering. Conversely, you shouldn't really visit Golden if you're looking for somewhere really awesome to eat. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Cities, Towns, and Main Streets. I really hope you enjoyed the time we spent in Golden, Colorado today. If you did, I'd highly appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my channel. That way you'll get updates when new content is available. Also, feel free to check out my blog and tour page. It's in the links in the description. Thank you and have a great day.